Finish off. Here's a chance for the youngsters to finish off. Danial for Pakistan, Shaheens. Ripon Mondal, Saklain for Bangladesh.
Bangladesh require hit to get to the super. Pakistan still in. They need that one wicket. So just one ball can do it for Pakistan. But Bangladesh would require at least two deliveries.
Met with some fierce cover. Took a couple of runs and easy couple of runs. Good start for the over for Bangladesh.
5 of 5. Ripon Mondal on strike.
And it's just 5 of 5. These two have been majestic. They have brought the people back.
Pakistan shines in the second semi-final. Won it by 5 runs. Went down to the wire again. Lower delivery. Sensible. And very good fielding after short extra cover. There was a chance for a second run. You got to give it for the commitment by, I think it's Saad Masood.
This is brilliant.
Have been very sensible. The key has been the communication. And the important thing is, what is the captain telling the bowler now? What is the next plan? Because remember, it's just a stroke away. Bangladesh can be the champions for bouncer or whatever gives them the wicket.
Got to give it to Bangladesh for the fight back in the last 4 overs. Nerves everywhere. Rahmat Danial, you could see the pressure in his eyes. He comes in. 4 of 4 gain. Good Yorker. Running the first one hard. Ripon Mondal says just a single would do. Doing it in singles, Bangladesh.
Yeah, 3 of 3. Why not? A single would do for them.
You have to say, brilliantly played. It was great bowling.
Salman, it's too much to handle at the moment. For us, for the players in the middle, everyone in the stadium.
Let me get you some water.
What about you, Salman?
I have it with me. Has been a top-notch performer.
I think the Bangladeshi fans need to consult a heart surgeon. Whenever Bangladesh plays,
Coverage got what they wish for. A close final. 3 of 3. Bouncer. Change of length. That's what I think Irfan Khan as the skipper would have given that choice or that idea by the skipper to Danial.
That's what we were talking about earlier. What next? What plan? What gamble? And the mid-off came up. So as a batter, you could expect the length to change, and it's a
crucial delivery for the outcome. Irfan Khan at mid-off, he's taking his own time, getting the fields right, getting the tactics right. And Danial so far has been brilliant. 2 for 11 of 3 points.